Last week I told you guys to play some plays. I'm in vacation right now, so I haven't made a video in a couple days. But I wanted to tell you, I hope you got into UPC. That sucker mooned. I told you the volatility on it. It's gonna because of the float, because of its news, all that stuff. Bam, you guys could have made some serious money on that. But here's a potential 1,000%er, 2,000%er you can make on this, and I'm gonna explain to you guys why. This is a once in a lifetime play if this goes through. So PRSO, we have this news April 16th that they are going to be able to make a deal with it's a military deal. They're making these wireless technology devices to enhance tactical communications on the battlefield. I believe after reading this is going to be with NATO. This is for NATO. So if we looked on the past NATO contracts, and they usually range from 500 million to 1.1 billion. So if that's the case, right, and this goes through and there's waiting on this anytime, but the significance of this is they said they're already going to start doing shipment of this device within quarter two. We're in quarter two right now, so there's one thing, right? The company expects to commence initial production shipments of the product in quarter two, 2025. We're in there right now, so this is any time. They also just recently, if you look at here, on April 14th, they issued a notice of allowance of new U.S. patented covering seamless wireless device. This is the wireless device that they just got a patent for. So this is a huge bullish play. So you take this shares outstanding of 4.53 million. You say that, okay, Brain, what are they going to maybe get? 1.1 billion divided by the shares outstanding of 4.53 million. And we're looking at a 400. I'm not going to do that math off the top of my brain, but we're looking at a huge gain here. Huge gain. So if it's $1 now, their float's only 4.29 million. It doesn't look like they're going to be doing any reverse splits anytime soon, any of that nefarious crap. This is a great play to get into right now. I would say 1,000 shares. I'm going to be holding out until news pops out. This could be one of those once in a lifetime plays. But look at this here. I was just reading this I have a subscription here to Seeking Alpha just so I can get some more in-depth analysis on these plays, read things that most people aren't reading. This is why I become the Mr. 93% day trader, Mr. 93% swing trader, I would say for my long-term swings, I'm almost at 98. But those are just metrics. The day trades, I'm proud of, because I put a lot of work in, but I'm up on vacation still, and I'm still putting in work because that's what we do here in this Discord. But anyways, they beat last earnings. This was last month, March 19th. They beat earnings by 28 cents. They missed their year-over-year revenue by 197,000. I like that. I like this overall whole earnings thing. This doesn't say this company is bleeding. They're horrible, blah blah blah. I like this company. Keep an eye on PRSO and do not miss out on this play here. I'm telling you guys this. Get into this play. And I told you. Get in UPC. 2 days later, it mooned. Look at the other videos that I've made. Dave mooned. Come over to Discord. It's $10.99. We do not let you down. We share a bunch of news constantly that's on the main chat. We have a bunch of alerters. We have good camaraderie. We have a lot of laughs between a lot of goofy and funny and smart individuals. There's no people that are losers on here because we just attract good people because we don't screw anybody over. We're not one of these people that don't put our monies when our mouth is at. If I lose, I'll tell you. I'm still waiting on one play to go through. You guys know it from the past. It's iller, and it's still going to go through, I believe. But besides that, I've been killing the market. So come on over. I have the whole transparency, and right now I am teaching to trade for free. Right now for a couple classes. I'm only doing this for the next 2 months for anybody who comes onto the Discord. $10.99, and I'll teach you Fibonacci. I'll teach you how to use the EMA 20. I'll teach you how to properly read price action. I'll teach you the mindset and the psychology that it takes to actually be a profitable trader. Most people have Discords. They have Discords to make money, and they'll be like, I'm a 90%. I don't want to call people out by name, but they'll say they're 90% win rating, and you get in the Discord and they're like, well, this didn't go through because of this reason, and then they have another play and average down. I'm not like that guy. Come on over, make some money,